Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're here at the Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. It's the Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're looking at the Kincaid. This is the resident lounge. It's a really cool lounge. This is on the 7th floor. It's a really, really pretty lounge, and love this lounge. It's just gorgeous. I love the look and the feel. I love the all of the seating that's here. It's a really fun amount of seating, and man, it's just very, very big. They also have a kitchen that's over here. The kitchen is really cool. It's got a full, wow, totally full kitchen. There's 5 huge burners. It's 5 or 6 burners on that gas stove. There's coffee, tea. You can make that anytime. That's all free included. And then you've got just other areas to sit around and relax and enjoy here. This is pretty sweet, pretty cool. You also have a pool table, very, very nice. And then you have kind of another separated area that it's just really good for maybe sitting, watching TV. You do have chess here that you can play as well. So super, super fun. And you have, it looks like this is kind of cool, the Kincaid Lending Library. So you can grab some fiction books and just take them anytime and then, return them when you're done. That's a pretty cool feature here of the resident lounge at the Kincaid Legacy. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour here and you want to do that virtually or live, the easy way is virtual. Send a text to me and go, Grant, I'd love to just do a virtual tour. Just kind of get a bit more feel from somebody that's working there at the Kincaid, and we'll give you that virtual tour right away. I'll make sure it's taken care of. It might even be same day that we can get it done for you. So send me a text, just say hi, just tell me who you are, and we'll just talk a little bit about budget and things like that, and then we'll get a tour set up right away.